Hi my friends, welcome to Code Guy channel. Finally we did it, it's the last lap for this course. First of all, let's figure out what is Fibonacci sequence is. If we imagine Fibonacci sequence visually, we can see that it remind us some of the patterns that we usually see in nature. It looks like a shell or how plants growing. Fibonacci sequence in math, it is a set of numbers 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13 and etc. The idea here is that we put two numbers 0 and 1 and then add two last numbers together. 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3 and etc. We also have a mathematical definition of Fibonacci sequence, where f will be the item that we are iterating through, and n will be representation of our iterable variable. The first thing we need to do is define function Fibonacci. The function should accept one parameter, a non-negative integer n. We also have test number 11 that tells us that we shouldn't use recursion in our code. It means that we have to solve our lab with tabulation approach, from bottom to up. It is time to write down everything what we were talking about. Inside the body of the function, we need to define variable sequence. This variable will be assigned to the list consists two numbers 0 and 1. It will be a beginning our Fibonacci sequence. I want to print in the console our Fibonacci function with parameters 0, 1 and 5. I just want to see how it prints parameters from our sequence and also any another random parameter from our test. Our function should return nth number from Fibonacci sequence. We have already variable sequence, so let's return n. We are already moving in the right direction. We are returning 0 and 1 and cannot return 5 because it's out of our range. Let's fix it. Let's define variable array. It will be assigned to the list of 0, multiplying by n minus 1. As you see, when we are passing 5, we get 4 zeros in the console. It is time to concatenate a sequence and array and assign it to the variable result. When we are returning result, we get an array, the length we need, and this array starts as a Fibonacci sequence. Now we need to update our zeros to the values we need. For I in range started from 2 and ending with n plus 1, we are updating each item in an array result with index I, and we will use the mathematical definition of Fibonacci sequence. We will add two result items with indexes I minus 1 and I minus 2. And the only thing we need to do is fixing our return statement. Sorry, I have a typo, minus 2, not plus. As we see in the console, we are getting values we are expecting to see. We are finally done. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.